Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be introducing Still OneSearch, the library's main search function, and talking about some of its features. So before we get started, let me explain what Still OneSearch is. OneSearch is what we call a discovery service. In short, it is designed to help you discover the resources you need from our large collection of articles and books. OneSearch searches all of the library's most important databases at the same time, so that you don't have to go and do the same search over and over again in different databases. Using OneSearch will give you easy access to the full text of articles, as well as make it easy to make interlibrary loan requests for articles the library does not have. OneSearch can also help you manage your citations, which we'll explore a little bit later on in this video. To search in OneSearch, you're going to want to start on the library homepage. Don't forget that accessing the library homepage through the ATSU portal will ensure that you are logged in and won't run into any issues when trying to access articles. Still OneSearch is a large search bar at the top of the library homepage. Right below the search bar, you can see that you can search by keyword, title, or author. Keyword is the default search option and will usually get you what you need. But if you're looking for a specific article, searching by title may help you get to the article a little bit faster. I would also like to quickly point out the DOI/PubMed ID search link here below the search bar. This takes you to another library service, LibKey, where you can enter a DOI or PubMed ID to be instantly taken to the full text of that article. This is the fastest and most efficient way to access an article if you happen to have the DOI for it. So let's go back to the library homepage and do a simple search for diabetes. Click on the blue search box and you'll be taken to the search results page. Once your search results have loaded, you'll see the search results page. Here, you'll see all of the items that match our search. You can see at the top just how much OneSearch searches all at once. This simple search returned 2.6 million articles. One neat feature of OneSearch is the Dynamed integration. When you search for terms in OneSearch, they will search in Dynamed, and top results from Dynamed will display in this box at the top. This can help you very quickly get clinical information. If you don't need this information, just click on the X to get rid of it. At the top of the search results page, you can see that there are useful links to other relevant library pages, such as our journal lists, the ATSU homepage, the DOI search, and the Ask a Librarian form. Note that this help link in the upper right corner will take you to the library's OneSearch tutorials. In the center of the page, you will see your search results, which are sorted by relevance by default. This means that the items that are most relevant to your search will appear first. On the left-hand side of the page, you can see the search limiters. If your search returns a huge amount of results, these limiters will help you narrow down your results to just what you need. The search limiters will be explained in detail in the Advanced Search Features video, but note that you can quickly limit your search to just peer-reviewed academic articles by clicking just 2 checkboxes. We'll go ahead and do that now. You'll see that every time you add a search limiter, the search results will immediately update to reflect that. Toward the top right of the page, you can see that you have a few options to change how your search results display. Instead of search results sorting by relevance, you can have them displayed in chronological order, either newest or oldest articles first. Under Page Options, you can change how much information is displayed for each result, how many results display on a page, and your page layout. Under the Share tab, you have options to save your results to a folder, which can help you manage your citations. This feature will be explained in a little bit more detail later on. Here, you can also set up email alerts and RSS feeds for a specific search. This is a great way to keep alerted of recent research in a particular field, as OneSearch will pull together research from multiple databases all at once. Below this, there is an option to create a permanent link to this search, and below that, you can export your results to email. Before we dig into the search results, I'd like to point out that if you scroll down to Databases Searched on the left-hand side of the page, click on it, and then click on Show More, you'll be shown a list of all the databases that OneSearch is searching. You can see here that we searched Medline Complete, as well as other major medical databases, such as CINAHL and OVID. On our search results page, you can see that they are provided with key citation information for each article. Below that, there are a couple of important buttons I would like to point out. First is this red ATSU Online button. Clicking on this will take you to the full text of the article in question. Back on the search results page, there's also this View Complete Issue button, which will take you to Browsing. Browsing is an app where you can view the entire journal issue that contains this article. Lastly, there is this Report a Broken Link button. If you run into a situation where you click on PDF full text, but it doesn't load, or you're having trouble accessing an article for any reason, you can go ahead and report this to us, which will allow us to take a look, fix any issues, and send you the article that you need. Now, let's click on an article and see what information you can get from OneSearch. On the left side of the page, you'll have the same buttons I just talked about on the results page. In the middle, you'll have the complete article information you would expect out of any academic database. This has all your citation information, subject keywords and mesh terms, and the article abstract. The right side of the page has a variety of tools to help you manage your search results and citations. You can print, email, and download this citation information, as well as add it to your Google Drive. The Cite feature will automatically generate a formatted citation for you. Note that if you're using this feature, you should always double check it before submitting anything, as these automated features are not foolproof. You can also add notes to specific articles to keep track of information that you may need. Lastly, at the bottom here, you can create a permanent link so that you can access this article again without running into any access issues. Note that if you do want to access an article again and you want to bookmark it, this is the best way to go about it, as it will make sure that you authenticate as an ATSU user. The Add to Folder feature adds this article to the folders in your account, which is created automatically with your ATSU login. So let's go back to our search results, and we'll add a couple more articles to the folder just to show off how that works. To do that, just click on this blue folder icon next to Articles. Now, to see all the articles you have saved, click on Folder at the top of the page. Here, you can see that OneSearch has automatically sorted the things you saved into different folders based off of what type of item they were. You can also create custom folders, which is a great way to keep track of articles for different research topics or for different research assignments. From here, you can select all of the articles you have saved and click Export. This makes it easy to send them to citation managers such as EndNote or Zotero and things like that. So, this has been a quick overview of Still OneSearch and its features. The advanced search video will cover advanced search techniques in OneSearch and show you how to use it for comprehensive literature searching. If you have any questions about using OneSearch, please feel free to reach out to your liaison librarian or any other library staff. Thank you.